Cleaning your audiometric and balance assessment equipment is crucial for both its longevity and patient safety. Fortunately, there are some simple steps that you can take to ensure equipment's cleanliness and durability. Before you start cleaning, disconnect your equipment from power, and make sure your device is completely dry before powering it back on. The first thing to do is avoid alcohol-based cleaners as they can damage equipment made of high-quality plastics. Use alternatives like warm water with dish soap or alcohol-free cleaners, which are both effective and safe for your devices. Between each appointment, clean earphone cushions, patient switches, and the response button. In this case, a little goes a long way. A single spray or a small dab on a cloth wipe is adequate. To clean headphones thoroughly, remove the ear cushions, wipe them down, and let them dry completely. Then reattach to prevent speaker damage. If you have any questions about equipment cleaning and maintenance, contact your local E3 Diagnostics expert.